Hello, we're at beautiful MarineMax Fort Myers today and taking a look at this used 2017 Carolina Skiff 198 LSV. Going to start at the back of the boat. You'll see here there is a Yamaha 4-stroke motor and a Talon shallow water anchor, which is perfect for when you're fishing in those shallow water areas. So the side of the boat, it's a pretty blue. Now we're going to step aboard the boat. Let's take a look inside. You'll notice the front of the boat has ample storage space. Perfect for your fishing needs or having guests sit on top. Go face towards the back of the boat. We have seating in front of the helm for a passenger. Here's the steering wheel and shield. The helm seat, which underneath has a cooler. You'll also notice that there is a bimini top, which will offer ample amount of shade on those warm Florida days. In the back, there's a live well, and there is also seats that can come up for your passengers. And there you have it. Please give us a call at 239-481-8200 to see this boat or any other boat that we have on property.